Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a very simple makeup look. I think I've chosen to put on quite an outstanding lipstick color. So yeah, I wouldn't say it's a simple makeup, but we'll see where I bring you guys, okay? So let's go. Okay, so first things first, it's very important to prep your skin, because if you prep your skin right, your makeup will stay in your face longer and it will stay fresh as well. So what I normally do is I moisturize my face. So I use the Laura Mercier moisturizer. So you're always going to make sure your face or your skin is moisturized, okay? And for me, because I have very dry skin, so moisturizer is very, very important to me. What moisturizer is this? Wait, this is the Perfect Cream Multitasking Moisturizer. I accidentally scooped up a lot, but yeah, you don't really need much because this is very, very hydrating and moisturizing. I mean, it is a moisturizer, right? Okay, that's done. And then followed by my favorite. This is the Laura Mercier Illuminating Eye Cream. Okay, now my skin is super hydrated, and then I'll go on to put on my makeup. But before I put on my makeup, guys, it is very important to hydrate your lips as well. So I actually use the Laura Mercier lip balm. So usually before I do my makeup, after I put on my moisturizer, my eye cream, I'll put on the lip balm just to keep my lips moisturized as I do my makeup before I put on my lipstick later on at the end of my makeup. Okay, so now I can proceed with my makeup. Okay, so first things first is of course foundation. So I'll put the foundation mostly under my eye. Okay. Cover up them eye bags and the dark circles, and then just a little bit around my face. Just like that. It actually depends on where I'm going. If I'm going to town or I'm meeting people, then I'll put on a little bit more. But normally, on normal days, when like I'm only going to like a nearby mall or something like that, I'll only put tinted moisturizer. But I'm going to show you guys foundation because I want to look pretty. Okay? Let's blend the foundation, right, under the eye and everywhere else. Okay, that's good enough. Already blended. Now the next thing I do is put on my powder. Now powder is very important, guys. So I am using Laura Mercier's loose powder. Okay, this is in shade Honey. This is their translucent loose powder in shade Honey. Honey is a new shade from them, and I'm telling you guys why this loose powder is so good. So this is a new shade, okay? This loose powder actually stays on your face for 16 hours. Can you imagine? And it actually sets your makeup, alright? So as you can see now, I already put on my foundation, but it's a little bit shiny. Okay, so once I set it with this, you guys will see the difference. So I use a brush for my loose powder because I have dry skin. You can also go in with the velour sponge, okay? This is from Laura Mercier as well. So you can also go in with this sponge, but I prefer to use a brush because my skin is dry, okay? So put some like that. Okay, now this will set the makeup. Look at that flawless finish and that natural color that I love so much, guys. Look at that. So what I really like about the Laura Mercier translucent loose powder is that it's translucent. Basically, you see, I'm already done covering, like using the loose powder on my face. As you can see, it is super subtle and it can last you the entire day, as I mentioned, 16 hours. And it covers up what needs to be covered, but it's not cakey at all. It's really, really light, and I love this so much. So yeah, I'm done with that. And now I'm gonna go ahead with my eyebrow brush. Those eyebrow first. and then you can go in and draw it. Well, I don't really need much drawing because I actually did tinting for my eyebrows, so I don't really need to draw so much, as you guys can see, because you know the shape is already there. Draw my eyebrow, and then I'll put on a little bit of primer on my eyelids. But you gotta be sure that when you want to put on primer, you gotta be really quick, because once the primer dries up, you can't remove it, guys, unless you use a makeup remover. So yeah, that can be disaster. And you gotta make sure you blend your primer properly, because if you don't, then you'll see patches later on once it's already dried up and it's in places that you don't want. So I'm gonna put a little bit of color lah, so that you guys can see what I can do lah. This is the Laura Mercier eye stick eye color. Okay, so this is in the shade golden. This one is amazing. So I have this in many shades. Okay, I really like it, and it's so easy to use, and it's smudge proof. So yeah, this is my first time using this shade actually. Usually I use like a brown shade or bronze shade, but I thought I'd do something different today. So once you put it on your eyelid, you got to use your finger, or you can also use a brush, but I prefer to use my finger. Okay, and then just blend it out. That's how you want it. See, it's got a little bit of golden tint there. Oh, it's called golden, right? Oh my god, Nurul Aini. So I'm not going to use eyeliner this time round. I'm just going to use eyeshadow. So I'm going to use brown eyeshadow and create like an eyeliner, but like smudged eyeliner. I bet you don't know what I'm talking about, but it's okay. You can just watch, right? There you go. So this is a eyeshadow liner. There you go. Can you see it? All right. Okay, so and then the next thing I do is I curl my eyelashes. Okay, you can never have too much mascara on your eyelids. Never enough. You gotta make sure your mascara touches every single eyelash of yours. See? Ooh, la 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 la. The other side. Okay guys, nice. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of eyeshadow at the bottom. Alright, bottom corner, just like that. Okay, just a wee bit, just to make it look a little bit smoky. Smoke it out. Oh my god, I just touched my mascara. I did. Okay, just like that. And then after I've done my eye makeup, and this is the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. But I put very little under the eye, just like that. Just like that. Okay, and then usually I'll just use my fingers and tap. I'll just dab it like that. This is okay. Some people say this is like highlight, right? This is how you highlight your under eye. Some people use highlighter, but I don't know. I prefer to use this concealer. So there. See, isn't it much better? It kind of covers quite a bit. But on top of that, for my under eye, I also use the magic powder. So this is the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder for under eyes. Okay, and when I say secret, means it's really a secret, so do not tell anybody about this, except for the people who already subscribe to my channel. Now, you guys just found out a secret that nobody knows. Oh my god. Oh my god. I guess I'm not supposed to lie. Okay, so I put a little bit of the powder on my brush here, and I put it under my eye. It covers really well. So sometimes I'll even put this on my laugh lines. Because really, it does. It's magic, guys. So yeah, under your eye, right? Laugh lines, and then, you know, basically anywhere you want to put it. But yeah, just a little bit will do, okay? I also put on eyeliner on my upper eyelid. I wouldn't say upper eyelid, it's like right below your eyelash. I don't know what that part of the eye is called. There you go. Ha! Just like that. And then next I'm going to put on the blusher. I am using Laura Mercier's Blush Color Infusion in the shade Chai. See how a blusher can make so much difference, guys? Just now my skin is like so dull and but then a blusher just like lift you up. You lift me up. You raise me up. Right, I don't know. Okay, anyways. Thank you, blusher, for raising me up. Okay, next I use Laura Mercier's highlighter. This is called the Matte Radiance Baked Powder Highlight number 01. Yeah. Aha. So just put a little bit at the side, a little bit at the side, and then your nose, just to give it a little bit of shine. You guys see the shine? I'm shining. And then next is the lipstick, but always remember to put on your primer before you put on your lipstick, because if you prime your lips and your lipstick does work. I just realized that I have the mic on. I don't have to talk so loud. And next is lipstick, of course. Like I mentioned at the beginning of my video, I intend to put on something outstanding, and you will realize that even though your makeup is simple, but once you put on an outstanding lipstick color, you look like you are going to Paris. No, not really. If you put on an outstanding color, you just look like you are dressed up. This is called the Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick in Soiree. There's another shade that I love. It's called Cool. I finished it. Yeah, that's my favorite. Can you see what a difference it makes when you put on an outstanding color? There you are, guys, my finished final look. I hope you like it. Now, as you guys can see how that loose powder actually really sets my makeup, I'm not going to remove my makeup for the next 16 hours because it's going to look intact like this till I'm back 16 hours later because of my Laura Mercier loose powder. Okay, guys, I hope you guys like this look, and if you're trying out this simple but yet not so simple lip color, please tag me, okay? And if you guys have any suggestions on what kind of videos I should do next, please leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video. I'm telling you right now, thanks, and I'll see you guys again. Bye! Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Now don't forget to tune in next week for another adventure. And if you have suggestions on what we should do or what I should do, you can always comment below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!